In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a status column in Jira. We'll walk through this together using a Kanban board view, but the process is very similar in other list-style views in Jira. The goal is simple. You want to see the status of each issue directly as a column, so you can quickly tell what's in progress, what's done, and what still needs attention. First, open your Jira project and switch to the list or all work view for your Kanban board. Once that page loads, take a moment to look at the columns that are currently visible. You'll probably see things like issue key, summary, assignee, maybe priority, or created date. In this example, you'll notice that the status column is not visible at all, which makes it harder to manage work at a glance. To fix that, look towards the top right area of the list, near where your column titles are. You should see a control that lets you adjust which columns are shown. This might appear as a columns button, a three-dot menu, or a settings icon next to the column headers, depending on your Jira version. Go ahead and click that highlighted control. When you click it, a menu or panel will open that allows you to configure the columns. This is where Jira lets you choose exactly which fields are visible in your list. In that panel, look for an option labeled something like Configure Columns or Manage Columns. Click that to open the full list of available fields. Now you'll see a list of fields that you can add or remove. Scroll through the list until you find Status. It may be mixed in alphabetically with other fields such as Assignee, Reporter, or Priority. Once you find Status, click it to add it to your visible columns. In many Jira interfaces, this is as simple as checking a box or toggling a switch next to Status. After you've selected Status, close the configuration panel. Your list view should refresh automatically, and you'll now see a new status column alongside your other columns. Each issue will show its current workflow status, such as To Do, In Progress, or Done. From here, you can also reorder your columns in the same configuration area if you want status to appear earlier in the list, making it easier to scan. And that's all you need to add a status column in Jira and make your Kanban view much more informative at a glance.